Welcome to this California Straw Building Association's Straw Bale Construction Fundamentals video segment about how to shape straw bales to fit around the building's framing. Bales set around framing need to be notched so the bale surface is flush with the exterior and interior wall planes. A channel must be cut in the bale that fits the post size. Notching bales must be done safely and carefully. You'll need a chainsaw with a bar length as long as the bale is wide, a bale bench to work from, a measuring tape, a way to mark the bale, marking pegs or spray paint, and a block of wood to test the notch. You'll also need a dust mask and eye protection. Chainsaws, even the small electric chainsaws used in this video and preferred by most builders, can inflict terrible damage to people or property if used carelessly. Always operate a chainsaw in a corner of a room away from foot traffic or in a designated area outside. Always keep two hands on the saw to control it. Always wear a dust mask and eye protection. For most post and beam structures, the first notches will be in corners. Place a full bale on the workbench with the working face up. Mark the cut by using a test block, a small piece of wood the same dimensions as the post. Place the block flush with the bale's end and either insert a marking peg or spray paint a line along the block. Remove the block. Cut into the bale the depth of the post, in this case 3.5 inches. Be careful not to cut too deeply or you'll cut a string. Pull the saw out and make the side cut, again about 3.5 inches deep. A column of loose straw will fall away from the corner. Before lifting the bale to the wall, check to see that the notch will fit the post. Use the test block to make sure the notch is the correct depth and width. If the notch is made correctly, the bale will fit snugly against the post and all of the bale's edges will be flush with the exterior and interior sill plates. When making a mid-bale notch, measure the distance on the wall, usually from the edge of the adjacent bale to the nearby post, and transfer the cut measurement to the bale. Make 2 vertical cuts. After making the 2 vertical cuts, you can make a plunge cut, being very careful to enter the cut with the bottom of the chainsaw tip. Straighten the bar before plunging it through the bale. Contacting the upper portion of the saw blade tip will cause it to kick back. You want to avoid this. Check the notch width and depth with a test block before carrying the bale to the wall. Carefully notched bales result in straighter, flatter walls that need less stuffing and are easier to plaster.